Hello everyone, this is me, Imali Desupwali, your host. Today I have an amazing topic about today's TEDx review. Started right now. In a world border divide, one man's journey in education connects them all from the classroom of Berlin to the lecture halls of Indiana, from teaching in the Soviet Union of leading global schools. He did, he did not just travel the world, he educated. This is the story of leader, a linguist and a believer in education without boundaries, David Kramer. So TEDx is going good and now started right now. Education is most important for us. Have you ever wondered what truly international education look like? Not just classroom with flag on the wall, but education that move across a leader, educator, and global citizen who believe learning should have boundaries. 5 years ago, David arrived in the United States not as a tour- tourist or traveler, but as the head of a school at the International School of Indiana, a community of 600 students from preschool to grade 12, a school that's part of a global network, a network that dares to teach empathy, diversity, and innovation side by side. David Garner is not your ordinary school lecturer. He he is a UK national, married to a French woman, and together they have raised two children. Children who have been educated in different countries. Each school a new language, a new culture, a way to see the world. He lived and worked in 10 countries, from the classroom of Germany to the campuses of the former Soviet Union, from the innovation hub of Eindhoven in the Netherlands to the evolving educational landscape of. And with every move, he collected more than his time in his passport. He collected perspective, because for David, education is not about memorize fact, it's about understanding people. At one point in his career, David taught in the former Soviet Union during a time of impressive change under the Anglo-Soviet Culture Exchange Agreement. It teaches language and culture in a place, rebuilding its identity after decided of division. He did not just teach world; he witnessed story unfolding, and he learned how education can bridge even the deep set divide. David is also a few in international education with the European Councils of International Schools. Our organization give to those who don't just lead schools but shape the philosophy of global learning itself. He served as a member and leader of accreditationally team in Germany, El Salvador, and Colombia, helping Seoul teach international standard. And he and he and he does not just lead; he shares that he's presented workshop across international conference on topic like Belgium second language learning and motherland tone maintenance, because he believed that every child's first language is not a barrier but a bridge to understanding more languages, more culture, more people. At the International School of Indiana, his mission continued to prepare students who don't just fit into the world but shape it. Students who can think globally, act ethically, and lead Passionately, he reminds us that the future of education lies not in walls, but in windows that open the new culture, new ideas, new possibility. Because when a student in Indiana uh, can discuss a project with a student in Germany, or when a teacher in a Peruvian collaborated with one in Colombia, that's one real learning begin. So this is a closing line from the classroom of Berlin to the hallway of Indiana. His journey tells us that leadership is not about control; it's about connection, and maybe that's the message we all need to hear today. This is a world uh, divided by borders. Education remains the bridge that keep us human. So thank you so much. I hope you all understand the TEDx review and the topic. So see you next time with new topic with hope and happiness. So take care.